Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to peel a potato in just a second. So let's get started. Today I've taken 2 potatoes, clean wash it and keep it ready. Now using a knife, run through the center. Make sure you join the start and end. Don't make it too deep, just the skin should be fine. Now let's boil the potatoes. Pressure cook for 4 whistles and your potatoes should be done. Once done, allow the pressure to settle and then open. Remove the potatoes and allow it to cool completely. Then pull out the skin. Your potato is peeled in just a second. I'm sure this is a very useful hack. Do try this and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.